Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I got a special one for you. Today, what I want to do is I want to show you how you can use the power of Gemini to automate something that a lot of us need to do or do with our jobs and saving you a bunch of time having to do it. Stop manually downloading and uploading files. Stop having to go into each email and adding attachments into a specific folder. So what we're going to do is we're going to automate that process, as in anytime an email comes into your inbox, it's going to look for any attachments. As it sees those attachments, it's automatically going to put it into a folder of our choice. In this case, we'll probably keep it generic like email attachments, but you can direct it to a specific folder. So I'm going to share the prompt with you in the description down below. By the way, if you think this is cool, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, please, let alone hit that like button too. All right, let's go ahead and show you what the prompt is. I'm just going to paste it in here and I'll read it. I want to automate adding attachments from my emails to a specific folder in my Google Drive via Apps Script. How do I do it? I am new to Apps Script and I don't know how they work or what to do with them. Please give me step-by-step instructions on how to accomplish this. So with that piece, you're going to paste that into your Gemini box in the middle of your screen of the Gemini app. Here's a little bit of a tip though. Change the model to Pro. This is going to think a little bit longer and it's going to give you a better code. So we're going to click on that and then we're going to click on the arrow button or the little paper airplane, whatever you call it, and let it do its thing. Now, I am by no means a coder. I don't know how to deal with a lot with AppScript, but I do know AppScript is a very powerful tool that we can use within Workspace. It's free, it's a part of your account, and it literally will tell me the what to do step by step, which I gotta say, I love, because it makes me as a beginner type of person working with script to an intermediate or an advanced person, knowing that I can ask Gemini to do some of these things. So literally we can see here, all right, we need to go to Google Drive and we need to create a new folder named Email Attachments. So I can go to my Google Drive, we'll click on New, we'll click on New Folder, and we'll give it its name. If I could spell correctly, I'll blame that on, it's Friday, right? Everybody's ready for the weekend? I thought so. So we'll create that folder. I'm actually going to color code this just so it kind of stands out for myself into that red. So there's my email attachments folder. Okay, let's go back to Gemini. And then we can see what is the next step to do. Look at the URL bar at the top of the browser and you'll see something like this. So we go to our drive, we highlight the folder, and then we should see some string. So if we go into the folder, this is what it's talking about. So go into the folder. This is the string or the identifier that it's looking for. Okay, next up, we copy that string after the last slash. Oh, so I just need to do that last slash. So let's go from the end and we're going to copy until that last slash. That is that identifier. Back to Gemini. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is go to the Google App Script, which lives in the cloud, so you don't need to install anything. So we can go to the script.google.com, click, and it says that we are going to click on the plus new project on the left. And we can just get rid of that, new project. Then what? So you see how we're going to go through all of this, and I'm actually not going to do the entire thing. Just wanted to give you the gist of what you can do because it's actually going to create the code for me. And I'm going to copy the code in the upper right corner of that JavaScript box. I'm going to paste it in, and then we're going to go ahead and test it. So we want to make sure that we've got the right names to thing. So there's that pasting of the folder ID here. So we'll be able to identify that, and then we can go from there. Now here's another piece. It needs the trigger in terms of, by adding the trigger to make this happen, how often do you want this to occur? We could say every hour, maybe once a day, and it depends on what you want. Now another piece that is going to be here is you'll see that it says, would you like me to show how to modify the script so it renames the files with a date? So you can add some of that. There's another piece that you could add to this in terms of If you constantly run it over and over again over the same emails, it may want to take those different pieces around duplicating those different files. And maybe you add that. And you can converse with your chat here saying, hey, I don't know how to do this, or where do I find this? Or could you just modify the script to do this? And it will help you out. So follow these steps. Let me know in the comments below if it worked for you or if you ran into a stumbling block. I'll be happy to do a follow-up kind of this to this video. I'm also going to be doing a whole bunch of other things that are going to show you using Gemini how to automate different processes that maybe you're used to doing in Microsoft and you've come over to Google, or maybe some of those things that you really just don't care to do and you want to do something a little bit different. Well, my motto, make Google do it for you. And AppScript here via Gemini is the perfect way to do it. So with that, I'm going to leave you with this to try and get started with that. This is how you are going to automate your email attachments to automatically go to a specific folder in your Google Drive using AppScript. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update, and in this case, a really cool tool. This is Gary the Google Guy, or Triple G, signing off, signing out. Have a great day, everyone.